Happy Mail Queen. Today I have an Alina Craft Design Team project and I wanted to play some more with her glitter, and I decided to finally try playing with the casting resin and the molds that I have. So I wanted to use her glitter because they are super fine, and I wanted to just mix that in with the resin. So anyway, I did make some mistakes, this being my first time actually using resin and putting them in molds. So I'll go over that with you guys. But if you're interested, she has lots of colors and they are super fine. So I did use this beautiful purple right here, and hopefully my camera is doing it justice because it is super pretty. I did use the gold, which is like a very yellow gold. I think she has two different golds if I'm not mistaken. Did I use the green? Yes, I did. I used the green, and as well as the pink one. And I think the only one that I didn't use is from the glitter that she sent me was the white. So I don't believe I used this one because I ended up adding a little bit of the chunky glitter that's a little bit iridescent. And then I think I added even some stars from my stash. So, but I definitely did want to play with, you know, some of the glitter and resin, so I thought it was perfect. I'm going to show you my, what I call my fails first, okay? So, not a complete fail. I'm just saying I know what to do better next time. So I started off with this Frank Garcia mold because I absolutely love the elements in this one. I decided, okay, well, I'm just going to do clear resin and then just add the glitter. And I think for this one, I did add the iridescent, you can see that, the iridescent glitter from my stash. So I don't think I used the Alina Craft on this one. No, I think I did. I did use the white one. I take that back. I did use a little bit of the white. But I also wanted some chunky glitter because it was iridescent. So as you can see here, it did overflow a little bit for me because I was using a cup that didn't have the spout. So I kind of spilled over. But anyway, you can easily cut that with scissors. So that wasn't a problem. My problem was I wanted this to be white, and I did have a white pigment. So I thought, okay, well, I'll just put a couple of drops, and it kind of got milky. And so I think that's why the finish came out like this versus this shiny, like, you know, smooth, not smooth, but shiny. So that was my bad there. Next time, I think I will do what I think it was Crafty Kimchi. Hey, Anne. I think she suggested using the white resin, and yeah, so I'll just do that. I did these letters. Now this is supposed to be pink, and it kind of looks a little pink, but a little bit on the coppery orange side, and that's because I used a ton of, okay, I used pink glitter. I think you can kind of see it underneath. I used a ton of pink glitter, and then I decided, oh, I'm going to add some gold stars and some gold glitter. And now with this one, it's tacky underneath. And I'm sorry, this is not focusing. Okay. So with this one, it's perfectly fine on top, but the bottom is tacky. So I don't even want to touch it because it's tacky. So I don't know if needs more time to cure, or I didn't stir it enough. I believe you can still fix this. I don't know. I'm going to try to maybe sand it. We'll see. It's either that or I put it back in the mold and just pour some resin on top of it. It's still pretty, but yeah, that's what happened. And this wasn't the color I was intending for it to be, but that's what happened there. So, but I did have success with the purple, but I also had a little mishap with the purple as well. I used my purple pigment. However, when I squeezed it, I put too much in there. I only intended to put maybe 3 drops, but it still came out okay. Surprisingly, I thought I put way too much ink in there, and I thought it was going to totally mess up the concentration, because you have to have equal parts of A and B, and you know, sometimes putting too much pigment causes it to be tacky, but it didn't get tacky. This one came out perfect. So yeah. So that was kind of weird, but seriously, I was so nervous because I put way too much pigment, but it did come out nice. So can't wait to drill holes on these, and then I will like show you an update. Here's another letter, and again, I did use that fine glitter from Alina Craft. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I love it. I love it. Okay, I decided to do this mold right here, which is the cover, the planner covers, and I only used the 2 smaller ones because he came with a third. So this is how that one came out, and this one came out perfect. The only thing is I do have to sand it a little bit because it feels kind of rough right here. So I'll figure that out. I think what you can do is sand it. I just have to figure out what type of sandpaper to use, what grit or whatever it's called. And then I have to find some alcohol so that I can wipe it down. But as you can see, it came out really pretty. Here's the big one. Okay, and yeah, this is still from the same batch. This one completely overflowed. I don't know what happened. It looked like it was nice and even, and then I started doing a different mold, and next thing I knew, it spilled over. So again, I didn't know if it was the mold or my table just was not leveled, because as you can see, again, it's thicker on this end and thinner on this end. It still came out okay, but it is thin on this side, so it's like super flexible on this side, whereas this side, it's not so flexible, like it's pretty hard. Anyway, that's how it would look with the rings that this mold came with. I don't like how dull this is though, so it's kind of like the cheapy kind. I did order some gold ones, so can't wait to like create some minis with this. So there's that. Then I made some numbers. This is using the green. Okay, so that was purple. Glitter. This one was using the green glitter. I actually did blue, and again, I didn't quite achieve the color. I mixed blue and green because I was trying to make aqua, but it came out like this, I don't know, weird color. And then I did the green glitter on it, and I figured, okay, I'm gonna do 31, you know, for Halloween. So I poured a bunch of green glitter on it. Didn't quite like the way it looked. Then I think I added some purple Like I said, I was experimenting. And anyway, that's what it came out to be. So it's kind of this grayish blue green. It's still okay. I can still use it for Halloween. But yeah, so there's that one. And then I made another batch of the purple, and this one came out okay. And there's that, and there's this one. So, and then lastly, I showed it on my Instagram too. I did this one, and I thought this one came out super pretty. However, I didn't know how much resin to mix, and so I ran out of resin, and so as you can see, this part is clear on the bottom. You can't tell unless I really point it out to you, but because I did 2 batches, and the second batch I probably didn't put enough glitter in it, which next time though I am, because I wanted to put lights on this one, but obviously I needed to make it clearer. I didn't put any pigment on this one. So I did the fine glitter again from Alina Craft, and then I just took some chunky glitter as well. So anyway, it still came out okay. It's a little rough in the edges. I will sand it down, figure that out. But yeah, that is my resin experience with the Alina Craft glitter. So like I said, I do love the fine glitter. I love the way it looks. I'm still getting the hang of it, but yeah, I will definitely keep using the resin and the glitter. But I did order some of the other cast resin, not the clear, but the white one. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.